Hey guys, have you ever had some of the plastic headbands and after you've worn them so long, they begin to look like this, stretched out and everything? Well, I went to my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and always have these. There's a lot of them that's in stock. They always keep them in stock. You can get all different colors. And I was playing around them because I have black, brown, all the colors, and they're messed up for when I've worn them so much. So I figured that you can take the headband, cut this off, just cut the old one off to where it looks like this. See, nothing on the end. Because this is still good. You can keep this. Take one of the just plain ones, cut it in half, put one loop through here, one through here, and tie it in a knot. Having a little technical difficulties here. Not too tight. I got a big head, so I have to adjust it. Tie the knot twice so it doesn't come undone. And if it has this metal piece on it, that's fine, because you are going to cut it off anyway. So just take the ends and just cut those, and you can just pull it to stretch just to the end. It's not going anywhere, and voila. Totally got a big head. Works. I won't wear it like this, but as you can get the point. It works. Cover it up. So that is the way that you replace the ones that were broken and look very awful. I'm gonna do it for you one more time. Black one, just cut. The old one off. Taking a black one, just cutting it on the end. One through this hole, one through this hole, tie it in a knot, tie it in a knot again, just a second, let's not get rid of it a little bit too big. You can pull it to stretch the knot, to pull the knot back into place. Just get the knots tight. If you got a big head like me, pull the knot to the end. And cut the ends off. Make sure you double tie it tight so that it's secure and pull it out. And if it comes undone, I'm just tie it out again. It's not that hard. Voila. Like brand new. So that's the quick tip to save on your headbands. And when you have all those headbands that are in a pack, they come in like a pack of 6 or 8 or something like that. Just keep you a couple around and use them to replace some of your nicer headbands. So catch you next time. Bye.